Today, I'm going to share the common words from our common place in Bohol, the word ambit, Bolanon context of fiesta. The word ambit is a Cebuano word which means sharing in English language at and pagbabahagi in Filipino language. This is often heard by the native speaker who uses it. The word ambit is given a denotative meaning based on dictionary by Visayan Arts by Alboro, which means to participate in something, extend, or to be connected, get a share, or to participate, partake, extend, secure through a favor. And according to Kilaton, the word ambit also means exchange, share, partake, and participate. It also from Ortiga, ambit means share of goods. Those mentioned words means giving the denotative meanings and process, while this study aims to scrutinize and analyze the meaning of ambit in the context of Boholanos in relation to their fiesta. Bulanos are also known to have the longest fiesta celebration, especially during the month of May. It is also their culture to bring home the fiesta no matter where they came from. The celebration of fiesta among them is a part of their culture and tradition. Therefore, the main purpose of the study is to analyze the meaning of word ambit by Boholanos in the context of celebration of the fiesta, specifically its answer, the sub-problem on the ambit tradition before the fiesta, during the fiesta, and after the fiesta. This study uses the qualitative design using the descriptive analysis to obtain a richer and in-depth analysis and interpretation of the meaning of ambit. The researcher conducted interviews to analyze the data and information gathered to the participant. Semi-structured interview based on the inclusion criteria of the participant. Number one, the native Boholanos. Number two, from the selected place in Bohol were known as vibrant celebration of fiesta. And of course, they are willing to be part of the study. Purposive sampling use or were also used, and also they are also oriented of the nature and purpose of the study. The participant and the researcher also consider the ethical consideration being established in this study by asking them to sign voluntarily the informed consent for protection of their privacy. The data is analyzed, which is included audio, video recording, notes, and transcriptions. Uh, this section provides the findings and analysis of the study, which significant of the implication of the meaning of word ambit in the context of Fiesta o Boholano. The schematic diagram shows the regarding the word ambit using anchored by sociolinguistic theory, and it's also categorized into the three parts: the the before the fiesta, the meaning before the fiesta, during the fiesta, or after the fiesta. So the every categories have their own meaning. So before the celebration of the fiesta, the Bulans have their own set of organization in their community that have agreements for the celebration of their fiesta. So that's the meaning therein before fiesta. They will have a meeting for each member, and also uh, they have their organization. They discuss what's going to share for the said fiesta. And of course, the word ambit in before fiesta means to partake fair share based on the contribution given. Um, this was become the shared share or each a member, which means that there must be a shared based on what is being agreed upon. He or she has the right to ambit or take his share because of his or her contribution. This is a cultural expression of contributing something to the community. It is shows through the organization of the community. It helps others to see the sense of belongingness and unity. They help each other by being resourceful that everyone can benefit of what is stated in the agreement. So the word ambit also um, expound use with the help of the affixes like muambit, pag-ambit, and then ambitan. Ambit is the ambit also is the distribution according to the testimonial 1 and testimonial 2. So the first respondents stated ambit is the distribution of share of each member of the barangay council 1 year or before the festivals arrives. We will contribute 1,000 each member, and when the money is collected, we buy as much as what can afford. So each member will share the meat or the goods like buffalo or what is without the needs to pay. And after that, the sample of their answer, the testimonial, the participant one and the participant. And then during the fiesta, the word ambit during the fiesta implies to participate, willingness to give, ambit meaning sharing to others. So the meaning ambit during the fiesta is in line with the religious belief. They believe that if a blessing is received, it is also willingly returned by giving donation to the church or offering blessings such as product and to the mass during uh, fiesta celebration. This is clearly shows that the meaning of fiesta and the word of ambit during the fiesta include giving help to others, and then it also using the prefix like uh, mupaambit or nipaambit, nagpaambit, or gipaambit, which means camaraderie or it developed the camaraderie. The involvement of the participants during the fiesta highlights also the religious tradition and their faith. The fiesta celebration of Holanos has become part of their lifestyle and community. Most Saboloanos during celebrate fiesta, may a simple or a grand celebration. However, Bolanos try their best that the entire community celebrate it so they can put large importance of word ambit. No, they have their beliefs that they need to be magpaambit or share during the fiesta. So it na during the fiesta, it's not only considered the sharing of food or celebration like ano, they are also willing to share their time, talent, or skills. So willing to be magpaambit, no? So even though they are poor, so as the respondent number 5 and respondent number 6. So they have their own statement. So one, just a sample, even though we are poor, we definitely prepare and arrange a party because it is during the fiesta that we can share the grace that had been received. And above all, I'm sharing the grace that was received given by the Lord by feeding or for our guests or for Mamistahay. And I'm happy because I was able to share the grace I have save especially for the people who are hungry. And then, as also mentioned by our respondent number 6, as the time of the festival, I shared also, or the fiesta, I shared the blessing that I have, especially the sharing of grace of offering our products or a little money collected as a gratitude for the grace I have received. I will also return it to church donations so that other will pay less. And then it implies, according to Nadal, when conducting in-depth interview of the Americans about the cultural values, the respondents consistently emphasize kapwa or promoting close relationship and collective effort for a common. And then after the fiesta, what happened to the word ambit? So the ambit after the fiesta connotes a connection of others. They want to be part of others by sharing. Word ambit after the fiesta celebration is also shared with the community based on their philosophy in life. This mirrors the religiosity of the Boholanos in connection to have uh, they celebrate the fiesta or the fiesta. The word ambit also, um, or ano, they recommend for the foster of traditional contribution with in goods and effort. And then the also through the help of prefixes, the word ambit it evolves like nakapaambit after the fiesta. So they was able to share their skills, talent, time, and money. And then another inambitay. So it is meaning sharing of experiences, no? And then panag-ambitay. So the word ambit, bukod of share or sharing, it is also shared within the community. So it is also represent connection to others with compassion. So the Boholanos extend celebration by giving food or bring has after the fiesta or pabaon to the visitor and relatives, no? So they have their own reunions and meetings with the family. When the party was over, as what the respondent says, I was very happy because even if it is a small, I was able to share with the others. I feel that there is the shared even because of the joy that cannot be measured. And then according to respondent number 1, happiness is priceless. When the fiesta is over, I was able to successfully share the graces I received and receive with others. According to my parents, it is important to share it with each other, which means I made others happy and also happy that I able to share a little things. Only the Almighty One will repay everything. After the fiesta, uh, I was the respondent number 3 said after the fiesta, I was very happy to be able to share my grace with others. I believe that if you shared with your fellow man, don't hesitate because you will be showered with many graces from above. So the meaning of ambit in Boholano, based on the contribution, it is get a portion of a whole which being agreed, or the uses of affixes expound the meaning of ambit like mupaambit, ambitan, inambitan, or ipaambit. So during the fest also, the word ambit during the fiesta implies to participate or willing to give, no? Which means sharing to others. The meaning of ambit is in line also their religious belief with the corresponding words like mupaambit, magpaambit, or nakapaambit. After the fiesta, the word ambit connotes or implies the connection of others. They want to be part of others by sharing. Word ambit after the fiesta celebration is also shared with the community based on their philosophy in life. The word ambit in the context of Bolanos, with the conclusion, the the word ambit on the context of Bolano Fiesta signify giving and sharing, a willingness to share and help others before, during, or after the celebration. It is also fosters a sense of belongingness, inclusivity, and the meaning of ambit also anchors to their religious belief and tradition, which can develop their own culture through the variety of meaning given to the community. Based on the finding of the study, equal contribution for shared benefits before the fiesta is encouraged. Willingness to share and generosity be promoted during the fiesta, and community bonds through continuous sharing to be strengthened after the fiesta. Based on the finding of the study, equal contribution for shared benefits before the fiesta is, and there are some as what I said, my respondent are they able to free to answer in terms of note taking, video, audio, through what they want in order to answer uh, the question. The question is given to them is in using the Cebuano language, and after that, the researcher I was able to uh, translate. I hope there's you. I shared my study regarding ambit and the meaning of ambit in Boholano in the context of fiesta. This is my references um, given. I hope um, there is a meaning or the meaning of ambit uh, as a researcher and as a Boholana is be part of the in your vocabulary. Thank you and daghang salamat.